Number 6, holding in sneezes. You're in class, it's dead quiet.
You die from holding in a sneeze?
Suddenly, you feel it coming. A massive sneeze. Not wanting to embarrass yourself, you pinch your nose and shut your mouth.
They're saying not when you suppress a sneeze, when you go achoo and then hold your fucking nose. So the pressure just goes to your head. Yeah, that could kill you.
But hey,
I would say that's probably very unlikely, though.
holding in sneezes isn't just uncomfortable. Damage your throat due to built-up pressure. In extreme cases, people have ended up in the ER from an innocent little sneeze. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, just let it out. Embarrassment is temporary, but ruptured eardrums are forever.